Good morning, Bryson. Yeah, it was a nasty weekend. We had a lot of rain, a lot of cloud cover, but hey, the sun is coming back, but it's going to be accompanied by some of our coldest air of the year. And in fact, we're expecting our first hard freeze tonight. Temperatures into the 20s, a chilly week ahead. Temperatures will stay below average, and then we're looking at the chance for some midweek showers. So I'm going to back up and take a quick look at what's going on. There's that storm system that brought us that rain. It's now actually turning to some snow on the back edge of this. So the Midwest from Ohio to Indiana, even down to Tennessee and North Alabama could see some snow flurries. You can kind of see those flurries flying across portions of Kentucky. But here, not quite. We're not going to have enough moisture. It would be cold enough, but the clouds are starting to move out. And you can see these purple shaded areas along the Gulf Coast. Freeze warning. So we're going to have freezing temperatures all the way down to the Louisiana coastline into the panhandle of Florida. So that just lets you know how cold it's going to be. And again, the radar looking quiet this morning. Big changes from yesterday, and we're going to continue the drying trend over the next couple of days. But currently that Arctic air really starting to stream in. Nashville 38, 34 in Memphis. But look at that, 26 in Fayetteville. And we could actually see temperatures that cold tomorrow morning. And as we zoom in a little bit, we're in the upper 30s from Clarksdale to Greenville. Tunica at 32. 39 in Kosciuszko, pretty close to that freezing point across much of Arkansas. So again, just some frigid air, and the winds, they have been whipping all morning long. That's making it feel even colder. So it feels more like 25 in Clarksdale this morning. Same for Pine Bluff, 30 in Greenville, and 33 in Durant. Yeah, this is more like a January day for us here in the Delta. So just brace yourself and be ready for that cold, because as soon as you walk out the door, it's going to hit you, and it's going to hit you hard because this wind, it's going to continue all day, gusting anywhere from 25 to maybe even 30 miles per hour through this afternoon, and it's just going to continue. But by this evening, it will start to die down, and overnight, we should see the winds return calm, which is good news, so it won't feel quite as cold. But tracking out the future, again, 40 degrees, not a whole lot going on today other than extremely cold temperatures, but you can see those snow flurries starting to drop down as far south as North Alabama. It's not going to amount to much, but it's always cool to see some flakes flying. Not going to be the case here in the Delta. As we going into the overnight hours, temperatures really drop. High pressure builds back in. Tomorrow it's going to be mostly sunny. It's actually going to be a pretty nice day. The winds are going to die down. Temperatures that top out around 50, so it will be cool, definitely jacket weather. And then as we go into the overnight hours, those temperatures drop right back into the 30s, and our next storm system starts to develop out to our west. This is going to bring another round of showers and maybe even a thunderstorm or two as we head into late Wednesday, early Thursday. I'm not looking at a severe threat with this. It looks like it's going to be a little bit cool, or too cool. But again, we will have the chance for some rain as we go into the later part of the week. But again, this is the coldest air we've had so far. We're having those northerly winds come in, bringing that air straight from Canada, and just a major Arctic blast this morning, not only here, but all the way down into Florida. So again, this is our first significant cold wave of the year, and it's going to linger that cool air. I mean, we are going to warm up a little bit into the week, but our high temperatures, they're still going to remain in the 50 to 55 degree range through Saturday, which is below average. So again, if you like the cooler weather, we're going to see plenty of it. Even the next 6 to 10 days, we're trending below average. We have about a 60 to 70% chance of seeing those cooler temperatures continue. So highs in the 50s, overnight lows near the freezing mark, going to be the average as we go into the next couple of weeks. And again, today it's going to be very cold. Temperatures about 15 degrees below average, only topping out in the lower 40s. We're going to have that sunshine, a couple of clouds around this morning. It's going to be cold and windy. Highs only topping out at 40 in Kosciuszko and Grenada, 41 in Cleveland, and 42 in Hollandale. This is what you would expect at night, not during the day. And tonight, that's when the temperatures really bottom out. We're looking at 27, mostly clear, a hard freeze likely for the entire area. So look at this, 25 in Carrollton, Batesville, and Charleston, 28 in Indianola, and 29 in Hollandale. So no one's going to be left out this time. Some locations still haven't had their first freeze. Well, tonight I can guarantee you the whole Delta will be below freezing, and by tomorrow 52, mostly sunny. It is going to be cool, and temperatures aren't going to warm up all that much this week. We will have some showers in the forecast the middle of the week, but your weekend actually shaping up pretty nice. So the first weekend in December, Bryce, going to be nice. I think it's just going to be good to get out, sing some carols, you know, do the whole Christmas thing.